United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 34. Legal status of waters forming straits used for international navigation. 1. The regime of passage through straits used for international navigation established in this part shall not in other respects affect the legal status of the waters forming such straits, or the exercise, by the states bordering the straits, of their sovereignty or jurisdiction over such waters and their airspace, bed and subsoil. 2. The sovereignty or jurisdiction of the states bordering the straits is exercised subject to this part and to other rules of international law.